decided in the midst of my college semester, I want to start a painting. Exciting, I know. And I want to do it as a gift to someone, and here is the reference. And so I haven't really painted for like a while now. I did do a little painting that was for like a paint and advice kind of event that was hosted, and so I brought my painting supplies and whatnot, and I wanted to find time to do them, and as I was adjusting to my schedule, I felt like now was a good time. I'm catching up with my work, or getting ahead of my work, and I'm done with classes for the week as I don't have any classes Friday, thank goodness. But so this is me and like the process of painting, because man, I really do enjoy painting, but there are definitely moments when I'm painting or doing any kind of art that I'm like, I don't want to do this anymore. So trust the process. Did a lot more tweaking, especially with the face, and I feel as though the sketch is looking much better and a lot more proportionate, and I think at any point now I'm good to start the painting process. Since I started the painting, and I finally got back to it after a couple days of not painting, but just spent an hour painting, and so far definitely like focused more on the doggo than anything else. You know, lots of colors and blending, but I'm liking how it's looking so far, and yeah, just gotta keep on painting. I've gotten so far, and for the background I've just gotten my colors and then just kind of tapping it on like that right there, and yeah, that's how it's going so far. Today's a new day, and I'm hoping to get the painting done today, so definitely a lot more to do, but I think we have a pretty good start, or I guess middle, but yeah, I'm gonna show the after of this, obviously, but like it did take me like 2 paper palettes of these to get where I am right now, so it might take me like another 2 or so, but yeah, setup is a go.
the way I usually start putting down paint is by putting down the primary colors generally, but also depending on which area of the painting I want to paint, like if it's specific like browns and whatnot, I stick to like yellows, reds, and browns, and white. But I believe I want to hit a lot of areas today. Well, obviously if I want to get it done. So I'm going to start by putting in the primaries. Just a little bit for now, and then I can add more later. I always have a problem with adding more paint to my palette than I actually need to. Specifically of like colors I don't really use that much in my certain paintings. And then with the primaries then, I like adding white as well, and then some black. Took a grub break. So this is where I left off. Made a lot of progress. I'm actually liking it a lot more now. And this is the palette after. And yeah, much more to do though. Definitely with the background, but honestly everything. Current status so far. Yep. Cleaned up a lot of the background, as you can see, and I still believe that like the dog and like the jacket and hat are like a bit too fuzzy. Like I want the background to be fuzzy, but I want the doggo to be clear, you know? But so far, gonna take a little break, clean up the brushes, get new water, and yeah, proceed from there. My current painting position, I have it propped up against here, and so because I am starting the fur, I guess, like the individual hairs, but because of the brushes I have, I don't have I don't have brushes that have smaller bristles, so I'm having a really hard time doing it. But I did detail the coat more so it stands out more. I think I'm gonna do the same with the hat, clean it up, and I think I'm almost done. Maybe. We'll see. I'm taking another break because I feel like I've made a lot of progress, but also breaks are important, I'm telling you. But anyways, so far I've worked a lot more on the fur, the doggo, and I think I'm kind of happy with it. There's definitely more stuff I need to touch up on, but for now, break time. But yeah, I am somewhat happy with how things are proceeding, and I feel like the finish line is hopefully close. Hopefully. Did not finish the painting yesterday, but that's okay. I asked my art teacher for some of her suggestions or like her thoughts on the painting, and so there's gonna be a bit more work that I'm gonna be doing, such as toning down the carpet, working more on the details such as the collar and the highlights on the nose, and fixing up the left eye a little bit. And so I shall get to it and hopefully complete it tonight. Alright guys, I finally got the approval from my art teacher. Love my art teacher. I always, in AP art, there'd be a lot of things that like details I could touch up on. And like, with this dog painting, there are like definitely things that I could do. And like, after sending more updated photos, there'd be like some other stuff. And like, it makes me really satisfied with the final result. And I think I finally got the approval, so I say I'm done.
Yes.
Lo and behold, the doggo painting. I am so happy with it. I'm so proud too. Like, man. Anyways, thank you guys for sticking with me through the entire process. Woohoo! Aw, yeah. Yeah.